First blood.
The pain I felt is paid for, all said and done. Oh. I am addicted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Double kill.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what us. The story's over now, I must conclude.